I have an 840 G1 that the BIOS is corrupted. So these are the old BIOS, the ones that are corrupted. The 840 G1 has two BIOS chips, so one is U365 and the other one is U366. If you have extracted the BIOS file using a programmer, the CH341 main programmer, I've used it to extract the BIOS from the file. So I want to clean these files so that the laptop will work. I'm going to show you the easier way on how to clean these BIOS files. So I'm going to open these files using a HXD editor. You must run it as so. Let's open our file. So this is the main BIOS. As you can see, it is 16 GB, and this is our secondary BIOS, which is 2 MB. Let's open it. So I want to get the serial number from this BIOS so that we can use it to find the exact BIOS for this machine. The serial number, you can use the BIOS to get the serial number, or you can find it from the back of your laptop. I'm going to show you how to find the serial number. So we go to there, we notice an EliteBook 840. So we only search here EliteBook like that. Editor encoding, we say find. As you can see here, we have EliteBook 840 G1. Then when you scroll here, we have the serial number here. This is the serial number, this one. So we copy this, we go to our Google HP drivers. There we go to laptops. Then here they have told you to enter your serial number. We enter our serial number, then we say search. As you can see, we have the HP EliteBook 840 G1. So we are using Windows 10 with the 64-bit system. We say submit, and then we have our BIOS files. Then we have previous versions. As you can see, we have all the BIOS files. It doesn't matter which year, you will find them from 2016, 2018 to like all of them, all the versions. And I recommend you not to use the latest one. So the only way is to check. Let's check our BIOS, our main BIOS. I'm using this tool, the ME analyzer. Let's drag our BIOS file. We press enter. As you can see here, we have date 2018. We are looking for June. Yeah, this will do. We take this for June. We say no thanks, I will down. I open let's copy on our folder. So this is the downloaded file. Next, we should accept here. We change to our location. We want it to be on our new folder. Okay. Next. So as you can see here, we say copy. press next. It doesn't matter for an error, we have already extracted. As you can see here, we have our BIOS files here, so we can delete this. So this is the file that we have it after extracting, but as you can see it is 8 MB, but our main BIOS is 16 MB, so we want to make this BIOS to be 16 MB. So we come to our editor, we say file, we open this one like that, then with the secondary BIOS we don't need it anymore, we close it, it's okay. So as you can see, this is the beginning of the new downloaded one, the clean BIOS region on HP website for this specific machine. So we have to find the first line on our old BIOS file. This we can copy this, then we come to our main BIOS, we say we find, we paste all, yeah, you can see here. So we want all this file, you press shift, one. So when you search, here is where it begins. So we select from here up to the end, since we have confirmed that the last line is the same as the last line on the new BIOS file that we have downloaded. So here we press delete, then we come to this one, we control all, we say copy, we come here, we say control V, and then we say file, save as. We want to save this as HP 840 clean dot bin, and then we say save. As you can see, our file is now saved. We have 840 G1 clean. When we come to our folder, we'll find our HP 840 G1 clean bin, which is same file as the old one. So this one is the clean. If you use this one and write on your chip, it will work just fine. Mine worked, so I wanted to show you how I shall do. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.